Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the ZAZZLE because I've been getting a bunch of the questions regarding the ZAZZLE because I have made a few of the videos of starting and opening up a shop onto the ZAZZLE and creating the products and various different things. So I've been getting a lot of the comments like or how to open up a shop on it, how to find the right keywords, the right niches and various things regarding it. So I'm going to be making the two videos in this series of ZAZZLE. Today I'm going to share some of these tips to get more sales on the ZAZZLE. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the right keywords and how to find the popular niches and various different niches into the ZAZZLE. And I'm going to share my screen with you guys in the next video. So today I'm going to talk about the some tips regarding the ZAZZLE to get the more sales, and we're going to answer some of your questions. And in the next video I'm gonna show you exactly finding the right keywords, right niches and various things regarding ZAZZLE on my laptop. I made a bunch of the videos talking about the ZAZZLE and you can check all those videos out in the card section above guys. I have a complete playlist so you can check it out and you can watch it. So before moving into the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also I have the bunch of the free stuffs for helping you guys making money online. The free graphics, the free KDP interiors, the free guide. There is a bunch of the freebies, link of all those freebies in the description box below. You can download them and you can use them. Now talking about how to get more sales under the ZAZZLE, the first thing that you could do is complete your profile or complete your store. I've been talking a lot about that in one of my videos. In two of my videos I've been talking about this ZAZZLE stuff a lot. First tip, that is to complete your profile, customize it very well, add your cover avatar, your banner image, your description, your artistic bio, your social media links. All those things need to be added and create more products. And yeah, so that is for the ZAZZLE. And how your profile is customized, ZAZZLE will going to give you a rank. Like you're gonna see a rank, Z rank, that is the 6, 7, 3, whatever it is. You're gonna see the rank depending on your shop, how much is customized for the ZAZZLE marketplace. So that is the first tip. The second tip that I have for you guys is more products. And onto the ZAZZLE, one of the things that sells very well is the customizable product. Now you would be aware of that or maybe not. You can check my video in the card section above guys where I talk about the two options on which you can upload your artwork. The first is the quick create option. The second is the create new product option. In the quick create option, you are getting an opportunity to upload a single piece of design or art on various different products. Okay. And in the second option, that is a create new product, you can only upload a single artwork on a single product. So you need to upload more of the customizable product like greeting cards or invitations. Even the t-shirts, the mugs needs to be customized for that particular product. Try to customize it because people are looking for the gifts. Customizable products are selling well. So upload more products and along with uploading more products, customize your designs regarding or in particular to that particular product. Of course, it will going to take more time because if you are customizing or personalizing each and every design for that product, it will going to take you some time, but it's worth your time and effort because these are the products that are selling well onto the ZAZZLE. People are looking for the gifts and for the mugs, for the t-shirts and for the personalized products onto the ZAZZLE. So it is the best tip that I have for you is to upload more that. Even if you look for the other people who are selling well onto the ZAZZLE, they have more of the product as a personalized product rather than just as a generalized product. Like they have a beautiful invitations which are customized, the designs which are specially customized for the invitations, for the greeting cards, or especially for the t-shirts, or especially for the mugs. And they are personalizing each and every product. It will going to take some time, but it's worth your time and effort. The third tip that I have for you guys is organize categories. Like make categories on your shop. If you're uploading multiple different products or multiple different designs onto your shop, organize the different categories according to it. For example, the mask categories or the home office categories, the t-shirt categories, or the mugs categories. Like organizing it in a good way. When someone is landing on your shop, there are the bunch of the different products and nobody has so much time to attend or onto the page to see all of your products that you have on their shop. They will just gonna see your first page or maybe second page, and we're going to look out the categories, that whether you have the different products related to your categories or not. And if they find that that category is particularly related to them and they are interested in purchasing them, then they're gonna click on that category and we're gonna see your product. So organizing your shop, organizing your product into categories is the best option, because no one have so much time to go onto the last page and watch each and every products you have on your shop, because they know that there are so many shops onto the ZAZZLE. They can look for other shop if it's not having so many products on that. So organize it well, take a little bit of more time and organize it, because it's your shop, guys. You need to do a little bit of more time to stand from the market, because competition is huge. Like ZAZZLE is there long before the Redbubble or even Teepublic come into picture. So it's a old platform, it's not a recent one. So obviously there are many people currently onto the ZAZZLE and are selling well, are the best sellers, making more money. So you need to stand out. So how you can standing out from the market, like you're uploading more products, a quality design, personalized products and all. But when someone is landing on your shop and they see that your products are customized and they are separated into different categories, and when they see that some category is related to them, they're gonna click on that category and we're going to visit the products that are available or that are there in that particular category. So it is a good way to get more eyeballs and to also to increase your conversion rate. For example, if 100 people are landing on your shop and 1 or 2 of them are purchasing from it, but if you are organizing your designs into the categories, you're going to see that your conversion rate will going to increase, because now people have the option to look at your designs according to their wish, according to whatever categories they want to go. So obviously the conversion rate will going to increase and thereby you'll be getting more sales. The fourth tip that I have for you is make collections related to the designs, related to the type of the niches, if it is abstract, if it is a text based, or if it is related to some particular occasion like the birthday, the anniversaries, or the holidays, the Christmas, the Halloween, whatever it is. Organize your products, your designs into different collections. The one was the category, another one could you do is the collections, have different collections. And apart from that, one thing you can also do, guys, while uploading your artwork or design onto the ZAZZLE, you have an option to select whether your design is related to that particular occasion or not. For example, if your design, for example, is for the Halloween girls, okay, so while uploading your design, while uploading your artwork, optimize it well, mention in that option where you select the occasion. If your particular design is related to that, select the Halloween in that. And the second option you are getting regarding your ideal customer, who this design is for, where you can select the girl kids. So this is the one way to stand from the market and also to get the more sales. If your design is related to a particular occasion and it is for a particular person, then do it, guys. Optimize it well when you are uploading it. Select. Last tip that I have for you in this video is, guys, share. Promotion and marketing is very, very important for you. Like, you can rely on the ZAZZLE marketplace, you can rely on the organic sales from the ZAZZLE, but if you are promoting your shop by yourself, then obviously you are likely to get more eyeballs, more people coming onto your shop and getting more conversions and thereby getting more sales. Now, Pinterest is a great friend in case of promotion. Even if you don't want to go with the Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, do have an account onto the Pinterest and pin your products or pin your designs of the ZAZZLE into the boards onto the Pinterest. You can have just a single account, put all the different designs or all the different products in various print-on-demand shops you have. Like, you can promote for the ZAZZLE, the Redbubble, the Teepublic, the Society6, the Spreadshirt. Wherever you are having a print-on-demand shop, you can promote all the designs in that shop on this particular account. You just need to have a single account with the Pinterest and create 15 to 20 boards, like this is the ZAZZLE product, ZAZZLE mask. Or if you are uploading related to particular design or particular occasion, like the Halloween cards, the Christmas cards, or if it is for some particular design like the abstract art, the galaxy art, whatever it is, just have one account, create boards related to it, and keep pinning your designs and your products into that Pinterest board. You can have a schedule. You can even use some scheduling tools out there to pin your pins each day into your Pinterest boards. They will going to do for you, but if you want to do it manually, then you can do it, guys. 10 to 15 pins each day into the Pinterest boards. It's just the 10 to 15 minutes of work, guys, but it's worth doing it, and you don't need so many followers to get more. You just need to get started with that, and you will eventually going to get more views when you are consistent with pinning the pins into the boards each day, and which will going to convert more eyeballs into your shop and getting more sales, and yeah, all that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And also, guys, in the next video I'm going to show you, I will going to share my screen with you, and we're going to talk about how to find the right keywords, the right niches, and various things regarding onto the Zazzle. So stick till with me, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I'm going to upload that video, you'll be get notified about it. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.